Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the meat pan on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job and you won't need any tools. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll start by opening the refrigerator door and we'll remove the old meat pan. Just pull it out until the stops catch on it and lift up gently until the stops clear the shelf. If your model has a trim piece on the front, you'll need to remove that from the old one first. So just grasp the inside edge of it, lift up on it, and roll it off the old meat pan, and then we'll discard that. Now to install that trim on the new one, we'll take the rounded hooked edge onto the front, center it, and then just roll it over until it snaps in place. Now to prolong the life of your meat pan, we suggest that if you have it completely full, when you pull it out, make sure that you support the weight of it, otherwise it will break these tabs off in the back. So simply slide it back into the shelf, make sure it's fully engaged on both sides, and then it stops. And your repair is complete.